In the name of God, I'm Rosa and this video is about sewing the braids for this cushion. In the previous video, I showed this 4-thread sewing machine to you. I use this sewing machine because it's so proper for sewing tricot fabrics. Because when you pull the braid, the threads doesn't torn. For bright color fabrics, I use 3 white thread and a thread, and that is the same color of my fabric as you see. First of all, I'm sewing the gray fabric. At first, you should find the head and the bottom of the braid so that they're like each other. As you see, this one is exactly like this one, so I can sew these two together. I put them on each other side by side and start sewing. Be careful of the blade. You can see how beautiful it's sewn. And I keep these two yarns. I use them. Next, I will show it to you. And now I should join the yellow one with the gray one. But we should find the right side. This is not the right side. Can you see? It's bright, but it's not. So the other side of the yellow fabric should be here. You test it. You see? These are the same. We put it together and sew. So neat and beautiful. And we start from the head of gray braid and we put it together. I don't let the sewing machine cut the fabric. I adjust it so that there won't be cutting needed. Put it so together. And adjust it. Put them on each other and start. Look at this. Look, when I pull the fabric, the threads doesn't torn, or as much as I want, I can pull it. adjust this place, put it together. It's so important. And put these two edges together, and it ends here. And I should now change the color. Nice. I changed the color of the yarn and I'm going to start sewing the yellow fabric. It ends.